My nose has been broken on three separate occasions. The last time 3 years ago after a bad car accident.
So if a person has had previous injuries to an area, there's some scar tissue there and it's a little bit more difficult to work with it.
To have a traditional surgery to fix it involves breaking the nose, and that means spending weeks in bed to recover.
It's not easy. I mean, there's some bruising involved and often quite a bit of swelling, and there's some downtime.
Dr. Richard Buckley has spent over 25 years in the medical field, and one of his specialties, non-surgical rhinoplasties.
So there really isn't much downtime at all. It may be a little poofy for a couple of hours, but good to go.
He's going to reshape the nose using these tools. First, he injects a numbing agent for the pain and a filling agent to begin the process.
With fillers, you can lift things, you can move things to the left or to the right. So in doing that, you're filling in contour deformities and actually reshaping the nose.
The red dots mark all the spots where filler is injected.
We put it in small little channels, and it's best if you put it exactly where you want it and don't just put in a glob and then hope to mold it around.
The tool being used is called a microcannula. It looks like a small needle with a rounded edge.
It's not skewering any blood vessels or any nerves along the way, and since it's not skewering blood vessels, the possibility of bruising is much less.
You can see the injections being made into all the marked spots and watch as the doctor molds and sculpts the nose.
By putting a material under the skin on top of the bone that will raise the overlying skin up to help meet the areas that are the edge of that contour abnormality.
And after about 20 minutes of sitting in this chair being poked and prodded, the procedure has come to an end.
I think after we're done here today, you'll I hope, be so excited you might be moved to twerking.
Dr. Buckley says the entire process could take as few as 3 minutes depending on the work required. Results can vary but should typically hold for over a year. In Pike County, Nick Volturo, News 13.